So I feel like we're kind of starting to see the beginning of future design technology. It's all about being able to actually show your design and 3D visualize it.
The future of design technology is really bright. We've got a lot of new young designers. I guess I could loop myself into that, who have a different perspective on the world and who are really thinking about product in a different way. And I think that the technology that we're going to be using, such as Gravity Sketch in VR, AR, it may eventually be to the point where we don't even have to wear headsets and things of that nature. I think it's all just going to help us become leaner and meaner.
Having a vision and being able to portray it visually in a 3D realm where everyone can collaborate and work together and really give good feedback on your vision, rather than just looking at a flat sketch or an Illustrator line work.
To be able to have the design feel very tangible, like how we're doing with AR, seeing that design living in an actual environment, I think it will start to really connect with the physical prototypes and models that we can touch with our hand and turn in different places to be able to help us communicate our design ideas well.
I think what's next to the future of creative technology, especially for footwear designers, is 3D printing. That's cost effective. And it's very implemented in a lot of designs right now, in a lot of their process, especially in the industry. Rather than making a sample, right now they're just doing it in Gravity Sketch, and then they're sending it off to be 3D printed. Helps with tooling, helps with cost. So I think that's what's kind of the next step. That's why I was excited to learn Gravity Sketch.
Sustainability is important in the design world because, we can't be pumping out products en masse forever that only have single-use purposes. I think we all understand that everything we make and everything we do has an impact on the world.
We really wanted to focus on sustainability design to see if we can help reduce the number of shoes that they need, not only to help them save on the amount of money that they need to spend, but also to prevent more shoes from going to the landfill.
Getting away from petrochemicals and our reliance on petrochemicals is extremely important as well.
Where we were really working on learning these different sustainable materials and different alternatives to ones that weren't as sustainable, and what we can look towards in the future for that optimal performance in our shoes and apparel, but also that sustainable aspect as well.
I think it just makes a better world for all of us, and we still get to play basketball and do all the things that we love, but we just have to think about it a little bit more in depth because we want to give our children and their children a world that they want to live in.